Hey, look what I found. This is the manual in English for the new XHDATA D-109 weather band radio. It's actually FM, medium wave, long wave, short wave, and weather band. It's available online at the XHDATA website. I will put the link to the manual down in the first comment under this video, so you can look it up and check it out yourself. And if you go down to the bottom, if I can get down there, talks about Bluetooth. There's the specifications. Let me zoom in for you. One more time. Okay, FM has 2 band ranges for US and European. Long wave is 153 to 513 kilohertz with 9 kilohertz spacing. Medium wave is both 9 kilohertz spacing and 10 kilohertz spacing. And shortwave is the full shortwave band from 1.7 megahertz to 29.999 megahertz. And of course there's the 7 NOAA weather frequencies it can tune to. Check this out. Let me go back to the top a little bit and show you the interface. My computer will catch up here. So there's all the controls. There's all the things you can see on the display. It doesn't have an overall listing of the functions. No, I don't see that. Oops, maybe it's up here. Well, you can download this page yourself and get this manual in English. And hopefully the link that I post in the first comment will work for you. It's basically, if you go to the XHDATA website and then you look up this radio, and then under it, it will have the English manual available for you to scan, find out whether you're going to get this radio. I'm pretty enthusiastic about this radio. I know the D-109 that I reviewed was an excellent radio, and now they've added the weather band and a couple other functions. I think it's going to be a great radio. I have no idea what the price is going to be. The rumor is that it's going to be released, hopefully on Amazon, for instance, at the end of this month, at the end of October. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.